What's going on, guys? Authentic J's back again with another video, and today we are making some custom Air Forces inspired by Trunks. Like my other videos, we're going to start this shoe off by cutting off the swoosh. Then you're going to take out your tweezers and start plucking away. Now, while I have a second, I want to mention to you that this shoe is actually for JWest31 on TikTok, and this is only part 1 of 2 of these shoes. I have another idea for the other shoes, so make sure to be subscribed and with notifications on so you know when the next shoe drops. Alright, so when you're done plucking, you're going to hit it with some acetone. This is going to remove that factory finish that's on the shoe, and like we always do, we're going to hit this off with some flat white. Again, you don't have to do flat white. You can do whatever color you want. We just want that extra layer to not only cover the holes, but to make the leather easier to draw on. Now, once you're satisfied with drawing, we're going to move on to outlining. Usually we go into coloring, but I kind of wanted to give this a manga feel, so I'm just going to outline it. It's going to be black and white, and later on we're going to add somewhat of a Sin City effect, but we'll come back to that. Now, one of the tips I can give is to be conscientious of what line needs to be thick and what line needs to be thin. For example, in this picture, Trunks is Super Saiyan, so his hair is very light and bright. So to show that his hair is light, we're going to keep his lines very thin. After you're done outlining Trunks, you're going to go ahead and add the small details that kind of give it that manga effect. Now, to color in Trunks, I am not using Angelus leather paint, which I usually use. I'm using the Posca markers just to test them out, and after using these, I have to say they are a lot easier to use than a paintbrush, but as far as the longevity of how long it's going to stay on and adhere, I can't vouch for it that much compared to Angelus paint. Now, don't forget to take your time. It's not a race, and also, it doesn't have to be perfect to outline these Japanese characters, because even in the mangas they aren't. And to finalize this shoe, like I said, I'm going to do that Sin City effect. I already did it with the red highlights, but I'm also going to touch it off with those trademark Super Saiyan eyes. And if you followed all these steps, your shoes should look a little something like this. Oh, and before we wrap this up, huge shout out to my boy Chump. He's always showing me love, so you know I gotta show some love back. Make sure to check out his Instagram page. He does some crazy work, as you can see. You will not be disappointed. All links to him will be in the description below. But that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.